Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Derek Collins with the Diverse Center, here to talk to you guys today about evaluation money. Yes, we're going to talk about the different types of evaluations that you can offer. And I was talking to some of my coaching clients that I've been working with over the couple of weeks, and I've been telling them about the different evaluations that they can do, and they were totally shocked. They were unaware of these types of evaluations. So I decided to do a quick video to talk about the different types of evaluations that you can offer if you're qualified. So let's get started. We're going to get started with vocational assessments. Vocational assessments, they range between $2,200 to $12,000. And you can get certified by the American Board of Vocational Experts or the Commission of Rehabilitation Counselor Certification. Okay, so look that up if you want to provide vocational assessments. All right, next one we have grief. No, excuse me. What did I write down? I have no idea what I just wrote down. Oh, there we go. Psychological evaluations. Okay, now these can range from $600 to $800 for brief evaluations. All right, if it's a brief evaluation, it can range from $600 to $800. Or if you need a full diagnostic evaluation, it can range from $1,000 to about $2,000. And then also, guys, I'm into niches. I love niches. So one thing I looked up that you guys might consider is becoming a polygraph examiner. And polygraphs can range from $200 to $2,000. And you can go to the American Institute of Polygraph or the National Polygraph Academy. So that's something that you guys can think about. Also, we have bariatric, psychological evaluations. This is usually for weight loss surgery. And if you need an evaluation to determine if you're a good fit for a weight loss surgery, you have to go see someone to get evaluated. And I've seen those range for $200 to as high as $2,000. Now, guys, I'm not an expert in these evaluations. I'm just giving you the information. I did a brief Google search, collected some information, and I'm just sharing this with you guys. So if you want to learn how to do these evaluations, don't call me. I'm not the guy. Do your own research and look them up for yourself, and then decide if you're qualified to provide these evaluations. Most of these people that provide these evaluations are LPCs and psychologists, all right, or LCSWs. Let's see what we have here. We have mental health assessments for court. Those range between $200 to $2,500. I've even seen PTSD evaluations for car crashes. So for car accidents, they might have to see someone to get evaluated for PTSD. Also, we have SAP evaluations. Those are evaluations that are usually done by a SAP evaluator that is qualified through the DOT. I'm a SAP evaluator, and those prices range from $500 to I've seen as high as $700 per evaluation. And what else? We have immigration evaluations. That is also an option as well. I've seen those range from $1,000 to $2,000. We have substance abuse evaluations. Those can range between, I've seen as low as $110 to as high as $350. And then you have anger management evaluations, domestic violence evaluations. There's all these different types of evaluations that are available to you if you want to provide these different evaluations. So I hope this helps. I hope you took a ton of notes. I wanted this video to be quick and to the point, but do your research. Look up the different types of evaluations that you can offer, and that can make you a ton of money. You can work from your laptop, work from home, and get paid what you're worth. So I want you to consider that, or consider this. I hope it helps. You guys have a great day, rest of the week, and if you need me, contact me at 404 503-8069, or just go to thediversioncenter.com if you want to start a court mandated practice. I can help you with that. All right. Talk to you guys later.